Zanzibar. The name alone conjures up exotic history and spicy scents on gentle breezes. Place yourself at its very heart, at the Zanzibar Serena Inn. This elegant hotel occupies two beautifully restored buildings in historic stone town, overlooking the glistening Zanzibar Channel. Once a trading post, this World Heritage Site still echoes with Zanzibar's ancient Arabic and Swahili history. Within, the hotel is a calm retreat, reflecting Zanzibar's rich Arab influence. Elegant standard rooms overlook the glittering Indian Ocean. Exceptional prime rooms offer an even more captivating view. Or indulge in the space and luxury of a suite. The tranquil ambience continues through to the lovely pool, the perfect spot to relax and take in glorious views. In the tranquil Baharia restaurant overlooking the ocean, meals are a delicious joy, while specialty seafood dishes are even more sensational in the scenic terrace restaurant. Other gastronomic highlights include an authentic Swahili dinner and the unforgettable Forodhani dinner experience, whilst the Tarab evening features eye-catching native entertainment. Fill many happy hours exploring Stone Town's winding streets. Or for a different perspective, take a sunset dhow cruise. Discover the amazing House of Wonder and beautiful Forodhani gardens, and take a spectacular excursion to Serena-owned Mangapwani to laze on secluded beaches and enjoy sumptuous dining. Not forgetting, of course, a memorable visit to the nearby historical slave chambers. Historical discoveries continue with a boat trip to Prison Island, where you can spot giant tortoises too, whilst the monkeys of Jozani Forest make a wonderful wildlife outing. And for the ultimate experience, savour a sumptuous picnic on your private sandbar. Those travelling in a professional capacity will be delighted with the superbly equipped conference room and friendly, helpful staff. Discover this fascinating area in style with Zanzibar Serena Inn.